Imagine fitting 1,000 items into a tiny closet. Shoes piled high, scarves overflowing, and that winter coat from 1999 still hanging on for dear life. It's a scene all too familiar for many of us. The closet, once a place of order, has become a chaotic jungle of forgotten items and misplaced treasures. We've all been there, staring into the abyss of our cluttered closets, wondering how life got so messy. The frustration builds as you try to find that one specific item, only to be met with an avalanche of clothes and accessories. But fear not, design enthusiasts. There is hope on the horizon. The key to transforming your closet from a cluttered nightmare to an organized dream lies in the concept of open storage. There's a solution that's both stylish and practical: open storage. Imagine a space where everything has its place, and you can see all your belongings at a glance. No more digging through piles or forgetting what you own. Open storage isn't just about ditching doors and hoping for the best. It's about creating a system that's both functional and visually appealing. Think of it as a curated display of your personal style. It's about creating a system that's both functional and visually appealing. By using open shelves, you can turn your closet into a showcase of your favorite pieces, making it easier to put together outfits and keep everything in order. It's about maximizing every inch of space while still maintaining a sense of calm and order. With the right approach, you can transform even the smallest closet into a well-organized haven. Ready to unlock the secrets of open storage and reclaim your space? Let's dive in. We'll explore tips and tricks to help you create a closet that's not only functional, but also a joy to use every day. From choosing the right storage solutions to arranging your items in a way that makes sense, we've got you covered. So grab your organizing tools and let's get started on this journey to a clutter-free, stylish closet. Traditional closets, while great in theory, often become black holes of forgotten treasures and not-so-treasured clutter. Open storage, on the other hand, invites you to embrace a more airy and accessible approach. Think open shelves, stylish baskets, and clever storage solutions that showcase your belongings while keeping everything organized. Open storage isn't just about practicality, it's about creating a visually appealing display. Imagine your favorite books, carefully arranged on open shelves, or your collection of vintage cameras proudly displayed on a sleek console table. With open storage, your belongings become part of your decor, adding personality and charm to your space. One of the biggest mistakes people make when it comes to storage is forgetting about the often neglected vertical space. Think about it. Most rooms have much more vertical space than floor space. Installing shelves that reach all the way to the ceiling is like adding an extra dimension to your storage capabilities. Don't be afraid to go high. Use those top shelves for items you don't access regularly, like seasonal decorations or extra linens. Lower shelves are perfect for everyday items, while baskets and bins can be used to corral smaller items and keep everything looking tidy. Remember those opaque plastic bins that promised organization but left you playing a never-ending game of guess what's inside? It's time to ditch those for their stylish and functional cousin, the clear bin. Clear bins allow you to see exactly what's inside, eliminating the need for frantic rummaging and reducing stress levels significantly. Invest in a variety of sizes to accommodate everything from sweaters and jeans to smaller accessories like scarves and belts. And don't forget to label. Clearly labeled bins make it easy to find exactly what you're looking for, saving you time and frustration. Section 5. Furniture with a purpose, doubling down on functionality. When it comes to maximizing space, multifunctional furniture is your new best friend. In today's world where living spaces are becoming increasingly compact, the need for furniture that serves more than one purpose has never been greater. Whether you live in a small apartment or a spacious house, incorporating multifunctional pieces can significantly enhance the usability of your space. Think ottomans with hidden storage compartments, which not only provide a place to sit but also offer a discreet spot to store items like magazines, remote controls, or even children's toys. These pieces are perfect for maintaining a clutter-free environment while still keeping essential items within easy reach. Coffee tables that lift up to reveal spacious storage areas are another excellent example. These tables can double as a workspace or dining area, making them ideal for small living rooms or studio apartments. The lift-up feature allows you to keep your living area tidy by hiding away items like books, board games, or even work supplies, or even beds with built-in drawers underneath. These beds are a fantastic solution for bedrooms with limited closet space. The drawers can be used to store clothing, bedding, or other personal items, freeing up valuable floor space and helping to keep your bedroom organized and serene. These clever pieces serve a dual purpose, providing both functionality and style. Multifunctional furniture is designed to blend seamlessly with your existing decor, ensuring that your home remains aesthetically pleasing while also being highly practical. The versatility of these pieces means you can adapt your space to suit your changing needs over time. When choosing multifunctional furniture, consider your specific needs and the layout of your space. Measure your rooms carefully and think about how each piece will fit into your daily routine. For example, if you frequently entertain guests, a sofa bed might be a valuable addition to your living room, providing extra sleeping space without sacrificing seating. A storage ottoman, for example, is a great option for a living room, providing extra seating and a place to stash blankets and throws. This can be particularly useful during the colder months when you want to keep cozy items close at hand without cluttering your space. A bed with built-in drawers is perfect for maximizing storage space in a bedroom. This type of bed allows you to make the most of the often overlooked area under the bed, turning it into a practical storage solution for items you don't need to access every day, such as seasonal clothing or spare linens. Section 6. Hooked on organization, small accessories, big impact. Never underestimate the power of a well-placed hook. These small accessories can make a big difference in your home organization. They are not just functional but can also add a touch of style to any room. Hooks are incredibly versatile and can be used for a variety of storage solutions. From hanging keys and lanyards to organizing your jewelry, the possibilities are endless. You can even use them to display decorative items like small plants or picture frames. Install a row of hooks on the back of your bedroom door for hanging bags, belts, or even your favorite accessories. This not only saves space but also keeps your items within easy reach. Scarves, hats, and other accessories can be neatly organized using hooks. This way, you can easily see and access your items, making your daily routine smoother and more efficient. Use hooks in the entryway to keep coats and umbrellas organized. This is especially useful during the rainy season or winter months when you need quick access to these items. You can even use hooks in the kitchen to hang pots, pans, or mugs. This not only frees up cabinet space but also adds a rustic charm to your kitchen decor. Imagine having all your cooking utensils within arm's reach. Hooks can make this a reality, turning your kitchen into a more functional and enjoyable space. Hooks are an inexpensive and easy way to add extra storage space to any room. They are simple to install and can be placed almost anywhere, making them a versatile solution for any home. They're also great for creating a more visually appealing and organized space. By using hooks, you can keep your home tidy and clutter-free, which can significantly improve your living environment. No more piles of coats on the floor, no more searching for your keys or bags. Everything has its place, and it's all thanks to the humble hook, or bags cluttering up the counter. With hooks, you can transform your home into a well-organized, efficient, and aesthetically pleasing space. So go ahead and get hooked on organization. Section 7. Label, 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 where everything has its place. Labels are the unsung heroes of organization. They bring order to chaos and make it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. When you're organizing with open storage, labels are especially important because they help to create a sense of visual order. Use clear and concise labels that are easy to read. You can use a label maker, write directly on the bins with a permanent marker, or get creative with chalkboard labels or decorative tags. The key is to be consistent with your labeling system so that everything is easy to find. Section 8. The big reveal. Reclaiming your space and your sanity. Remember that feeling of dread every time you opened your closet door? With open storage, you can say goodbye to clutter-induced anxiety and hello to a space that feels calm, organized, and inviting. Imagine opening your closet door and actually being able to find what you're looking for. Open storage isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that functions well for your needs. It's about reclaiming your space and your sanity, one stylish storage solution at a time. Section 9. Open storage, open possibilities. Embracing a clutter-free life. Open storage is more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice. It's about embracing a simpler, more organized way of living. By maximizing vertical space, utilizing clear storage solutions, and incorporating multifunctional furniture, you can create a space that is both stylish and functional. So, ditch the clutter, embrace the power of open storage, and unlock the full potential of your home. You'll be amazed at the difference a little organization can make.